What's up? Say hello to the vlog, little nigga. Say hello to the vlog, nigga.
What's up?
See, now you acting fake.
What's your idea?
Now you acting real fake. Why you get so quiet, bro?
You.
Nah, why you get so quiet? Huh? Boy, I'm tired of you. Yes, get out of my car. Don't come back, bro. Yeah, I got rid of the garbage. He won't be gone for long, though.
Yeah, nope.
It's too far.
Nah, that was too far.
I'm finna walk to the store.
I'm about to see your I'm about to see your Animal Planet got some new animal. I mean Town and Country. What the heck, bro?
I thought you about to say Animal Planet got some new news. So
What? What? What the heck?
What you talking about?
No, I'm about to see you some new animals. Animal.
Town and Country.
Why I keep saying animal, bro? I'm in Town and Country.
You a simple?
They be having some cool. I don't see that parrot still up there.
Yeah,
I'm gonna mess with them. Don't say it. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, look at your lips again, bro. You need to be like Lil Yachty some more. What?
Gonna wreck.
Not finna wreck.
You gonna wreck. You gonna wreck. You gonna wreck.
You starting to really make me mad though.
I hope
For real, shut
I
up.
hope you wreck.
And you gonna wreck too.
I ain't gonna wreck. I ain't driving, dummy.
You gonna get in an accident too. You might get hurt.
I'm not gonna get hurt. It's gonna be you get hurt.
Don't start.
Shut up. Oh.
You right. Got people telling me they don't like when I put my lips in the camera. Too bad, boy.
You know what you did, Shane?
But look at this.
Look at that.
Oh man, they look nasty. What in the world kind of bird is that?
What's up, dope? What's up? What's up?
Don't say nothing.
Yeah, turn around. I'm the beast around.
You see that? That's witchcraft.
It's free. How much it cost?
The Bible.
This is the Bible.
You question the words of the mighty Jimmy!
What in the world is this?
It's seen how to touch us.
No.
Alright, then.
Chill out, bro.
Okay, go ahead.
Nah, I ain't ready yet. I gotta warm up to it. Ooh. You bitch you.
Yeah, put your finger up there. He'll beat it. He'll bite you. It don't hurt.
Do it.
Finger though.
You trying to clean that?
Get close.
I ain't getting nothing.
Oh, this is good. You see, I was gonna have to sleep. We're gonna have to sleep him eventually. He sounds cool though. What's that?
There ain't nothing cool about that joke. This joke nasty. That's what it is.
Let me get one, let him see him.
Ain't nothing cool. They ain't got that much stuff in here as they used to. Vonnie, it's your family.
I know, bro. I don't see no selfies, bro. That's what it's sad, bro.
You feel at home? You feel at home? That's good. You gotta do it again. You feel at home? That's what's important around here. Oh, you got the ducks. I don't want no ducks. Well, I just like ducks. Everything here want to bite you.
Stupid as fuck.
I see they do it too. Y'all niggas look that scared.
You gotta stop sticking your fingers in stuff.
I know y'all. He tried to bite the dick out of me this morning.
He finna tear you up, bro. Nah, chill.
I ain't doing him.
Chill.
I ain't doing him.
You think you tough? Boy.
I swear to God, I'm having 150 shooters in Atlanta, nigga. Damn the address, nigga. Fuck you.
She's still looking at you. Oh, she loves
What did I tell you about that crack, bro? Look, it's around your lips. Clean it off, bro. I had to dig it. Y'all gotta take you to rehab. You be playing, bro. For real. You need to cut that out. Look at your lips, bro. Look at his lips, bro. They white. Bro, chill out, man. Hold on. Trying to look for some challenges for us to do. Here we go. Nah, this is a got that one. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see us do some challenges. But hey, it ain't really got. Man, this place is trash. What in the world is that?
What?
You just wet, bro. These games are trash nowadays. Except for Monopoly. Can't nobody beat me in that. This joint right here is about the hardest thing you can get. That Fanta. Bro, you like grape Fanta? I mean, Sunkiss.
I like
Why
that.
you always try? Nah, you ain't. For one, you ain't cool, bro. You always try to act, bro. I'm turning the camera off, bro. So you really, looks like I'm gonna need some new ideas, don't it? Hey, somebody go in the comments to put some video ideas, cause I'm a new YouTuber, ain't got no ideas. Help a young nigga out, please. But anyways, I'm gonna see y'all niggas later. You just said it was cold, bro.
It was hot in here and the sun's shining.
Make up your mind,
But it's not getting loud with me, bro.
bro. All right, y'all.